Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of gluten-free products. Whether you're gluten-sensitive, have celiac disease, or simply want to explore healthier options, we've curated a list of must-try items that don't compromise on taste or quality. We've got a fantastic selection of delicious snacks, baking essentials, and pantry staples that make gluten-free living easy and enjoyable. So, let's get started. We hope you enjoyed our gluten-free product roundup. Eurostar Chapata is a premium gluten-free flour specifically crafted for making soft, delicious chapatis. Made from high-quality ingredients, it provides excellent texture and flavor, making it a favorite among home cooks. This versatile atta is easy to work with, allowing you to create perfect chapatis, parathas, flatbreads, and samosas with ease. Eurostar Chapata is an excellent choice for your kitchen and recommended by dietitians for gluten sensitivity. Watch gluten-free rotti recipe on my channel Free from Foods. Next up, we have a gluten-free sliced seeded loaf, followed by part-baked white rolls, gluten-free. Gluten-free white burger rolls, and gluten-free crackers with a savory crunch. For breakfast, we have Juvela Fiber Flakes, gluten-free cereals. Gluten-free spaghetti with a Spanish touch, gluten-free penne pasta. And gluten-free fusilli spirals. And don't forget about free from gluten-free plain flour. And self-raising flour for baking delicious treats. We also have Nairn's porridge oats for breakfast. All of these gluten-free products can be ordered online, so check them out and enjoy. Thank you for joining us and have a great day.